I still need to recover from another lover. Would you be here for me? Never met your pair.
Hi guys, I'm off to the hospital. I'll be right back. I see you guys. I'll see you guys later. Babe. Jesus Christ, this man is locking me inside. What do you mean? I want to wear my shoe now. Be my slippers. The weather is so nice today. No jacket. What's up guys? So I just finished from the clinic and yeah, on my way to what do they call this place, Superstore, to get some things. I'll see you guys later.
I've never met anyone quite like her before.
Lazy Sunday, thinking maybe, don't you wanna spend some time? Been so patient, like I've been waiting 40 days and 40 nights. I've got...
Hey fam, so we just went to Superstore. Actually, I didn't think I was going to do this, but it happened to be that the prescription we got from our doctor, we could like take the vaccine there at Superstore, so we just decided to do that. I had to take this, what they call this thing. See, she suggested I take this hepatitis B vaccine, and there was this one she called the guy called Addison or Ada something. I don't know what it is.
That's all.
I don't know what it is, but then I think he said it's for whooping cough and whatever, like everything joined together. I don't know what it is. I'm not having whooping cough anyway, but that's the normal thing where they just prescribe things for you to do, or things for you to do maybe after like a general test. Because I just got this I just got a family doctor recently, right? So I did like a normal, like general body test, and some of those things they feel you should do this, yeah. So she just gave me like a list of tests and vaccines to do, and yeah, so we just did that. Currently we're on our way to what they call that place again.
I don't even know.
We don't know the name of the place, but we've had this plan since that we're going to go in for a massage or something, so we just decided to go and check today. We're not sure if we're going to have the massage today, right? But we just want to check and just know how it's being done, if we need to book an appointment, if we can have it today. We don't know. Whatever it is, I'll let you guys know. Guys, like we expected, we can have it today. They're fully booked for the day, for the week, for the month. So that will be till like next month. We booked an appointment already. I'm happy we're doing this already, because we've had this in our plan like since we said we'll go today, we'll go tomorrow, and we never did. So we just decided to come here today, and yeah, I can't wait for the day. We're done with everything we're doing now today, and we're heading home. I'm so hungry. So hungry. My phone is dead. What's time?
11:06.
It's 11:06 and we're yet to have breakfast. See you guys when I get home. My sugar daddy. Hi guys! How you guys doing? If you're new here, my name is Nikki and Dukwebe. Please now help me. Thank you. If you're new here, my name is Niken Dukwe. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in Calgary, Canada. I don't think this is going to be another vlog. It's a continuation of my vlog, but then I just feel I should just say this. Well, guys, as you can see, I'm 100% fine and okay now. The other day, after I spoke to you guys, I thought that was just it. That same day, what's her name? Tolu Bant of Canada was moving in. Tolu is now my neighbor. I'm sure you guys know if you watch her videos, and she said it there already. So she's now my neighbor, and yeah, so that day I had to like just go help her packing. Oh, this exposure is too much. Let me see if I can just turn it up. So I had to go help her moving, guys. I didn't even do much that day. Just the little things I carried. The next thing was like I wanted to faint. And Tolu made a video of me as I am, this beauty. I was just looking like vegetable that day, but I feel very okay now. And yeah, oh, this is still too bright. As you can see, your girl is good. And thank you so much, guys, for those of you that reached out to like say, oh yes, you guys saw me there and you just want to know how I'm doing. I'm doing really okay now. I'm doing great. It was juxed. I want to say vaccine plus juxed. Plus just everything that came in as juxed. It was just the vaccine that messed with me that day, but I feel very okay. I feel great. I feel super excited and hyped. So today, guys, I'm on my way to Ikea to get some things. Nothing serious. I just want to get bed sheets. I want to get bed sheets and what again? I want to get bed sheet though, please, before they send me back to Nigeria. I want to get bed sheet, and yeah, on my way to Ikea, and with my laptop here, still trying to do some work, just small work.
Staring out the window, reaching for a North Star, waiting just to wake up from this nightmare where you could be right back in my arms, dancing to the limbo, stuck here in the middle. You tell me that it's simple, but I could.
Guys, I want to get a round mirror like this, but in brown. But not this big, because I just think this is too big. It's looking small here, but it's actually very big. I'm looking for something like this in brown. Guys, we're done. I'll see you guys in the car or when we get home. Why am I so hyped today? See you guys in the car when we get home. What's that? Guys, coming to Ikea is an exercise on its own. We just came to buy duvet, what they call it, duvet cover and pillowcase. That was the only thing we said we're coming here to buy. And we had to get other things. When I get home, I'll show you some of the things we got, and I am so excited about them. Nothing much, just some things to like fix one or two in the house. With time, we'll keep buying like the little we can. Hi guys, so I just got home and I want to show you guys some of the things I got from Ikea. So I'll just bring this here. I have everything inside. I got throw pillows. Guys, one reason why we got this throw pillow, we're so confused. We actually just wanted to get throw pillow covers, right? And just change this one because I don't like the colors at all. I don't like the colors. So we actually wanted to get throw pillows and just change them, but then we weren't sure. Like, we started thinking, we don't know if this is 50 by 50 or 40 by 40. So we're just confused, and we thought it was smaller, right? We thought it was 40 by 40, so we decided to get 50 by 50. But now coming back to look at this one, we think they are the same size, but I don't know, nothing spoiled. So we got throw pillows. I got 3 of this, 3 of this. I got throw pillow covers. If you watched my moving vlog, I'm sure you guys, I don't know if you remember, I talked about changing these pillow covers because I don't like the colors. So I got this, and this. I actually got this one just to like put a popping color, if that makes sense. I got this couch, what they call this, duvet for the couch, just to replace this one because this one is not really doing the work, it's just fancy. So I got this one because every time we're seeing a movie and we start feeling cold, we use this one and it doesn't do anything, so we decided to get this other one. I got this bed sheets and this duvet cover. This was the thing that took me to Ikea. This duvet cover and pillowcase. It has duvet covers and pillowcase inside, and this bed sheets. Yeah guys, so that is that. I just want to change this. I can't wait to see what it looks like.
Oh, that's why she did that. I see.
My couch be popping.
Oh, God,
Period. Just finished washing toilet. First I washed like my toilet and my husband's toilet, right? And then the other toilet you saw me washing is like the second one that we don't use all the time, not like the visitors toilet, but we use sometimes, all the time, but not all the time. So I'm just rushing to make breakfast. Not for myself though, but for my husband. I'll be going out today, guys. Today is Tolu's birthday, so we're going out for brunch. I, Tolu and Rachel, we're going out for brunch, and later in the evening I'm going for a friend's birthday. She had a birthday, I think day 5 today. I'm having like a birthday party today, so it's gonna be a fun-filled day. I hope so. I just want to rush and make this. Tolu already called me to have my bath, and I'm still here, but I don't want to leave the house without making breakfast for my husband. I know there's no breakfast for me. I'll just eat when I get there, because I don't think I have that time to eat now. So I'll eat when I get to the place we're going to. Guys, do you know I'm too early? I was about dressing up, then I called Tolu. She said Rachel is still on her way. The plan was that Rachel would just go there straight and we'll just come to, like, we'll just go there to ourselves, but she's coming here so there's no need to rush, right? So I'm just in between making up or not. I'm about stretching my hair. Guys, remember my last video I posted, I talked about wanting to get like a mannequin, whatever, like this wig stand, so I can just use it to wig my hair, right? On, what was that? Oh, this thing is not. A few days ago, I just decided to just randomly go and check Facebook Market. And I saw this, like guys, this is the price I got it for. I think I got it for $20. Look. It's so neat, strong, like nothing is wrong with it. Guys, we're just about leaving now. Guys, we're just leaving now. We had a nice time. The weather is so cool today, but not like not like cool.
It's very cool.
Jesus, my distance.
Because you're not feeling too great. Yeah, it is. See what I'm wearing now. They bought me wear for January.
Please show yourself.
You're not showing me, you're showing yourself. Show me, baby.
I had to come back home to like change and also wait for my husband. We have like the second party to attend. The invite was for 5 and this is 6:30 already. But I just have to like, I was partially waiting for my husband. No, I was actually waiting for my husband because he closes work by 6:30. So it's 6:30, so he's done. I just came back to like change and refresh, then I move. I'll see you guys later. Bye. I think I'm set and ready to leave. Maybe I still have to fix this bread, but I'm good to go. Hey, cheese! The love of my life. Cheese! Take cheese! Where's my love? Come. Justin Bieber. Let's say hi to the birthday.